Importance of water. We can live without food for several weeks, but without water, life cannot last more than a few days. Besides being essential for life, water is useful for us in many ways. Some of the uses are: in plants, water is essential for germination of seeds, transportation of nutrients, photosynthesis, and their growth as well. Water is used for various purposes in our day-to-day life for cooking, drinking, bathing, washing, and flushing the toilets. Water is used in dams to generate electricity. A large amount of water is used in agriculture and industries. Water is also used as a medium of transport. Nowadays, lakes and rivers are used for fishing, swimming, and boating activities. Water also regulates the climate of a place and provides homes to many animals.